Right, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. God, it's flying by. Today's pucker tea was Blackcurrant Beauty, and yes, it's very blackcurranty. Very nice. It's a bit hot, so I'll eat that. You might have seen a bit of a video of one of my grandchildren. She was doing a sponsored run. Well, but the little ones wouldn't run, so we had to walk around the field with them. So it was a sponsored run stroke walk, but it was very nice. We got very muddy though, so yeah, so that was good. There's a little footage of that. Right, well, let's get on to the Crochet Society mystery blanket. So this is what I did yesterday, and you can see I finished the task, and it was a mosaic stitch where you overlap by doing trebles into the row below, so you actually overlay in. So although you're doing one colour for one row, you overlay so it looks like you're changing colours, but you're not. Really good. I love it, and makes it really thick. So yeah, so that's it so far. It did take a while. I was doing it until 10 o'clock at night, watching the telly, because there was 9 rows I think we had to do, which was quite a big task. But yes, so really pleased with it. So excited to see what's in drawer day 9. So let's turn you around and have a look in the drawer. Right, so let's find box 9. There. Oh, look at that. That's a lovely yellow, isn't it? Wow, that is lemon drops. That's beautiful. So that is going to be going somewhere on there. I think it's going to be all the colours of the rainbow and more. So yes, exciting to find out. Oh, and there's another crochet hook in here. So I wonder if we'll be using that. That's a 3mm crochet hook. The one we got on day 1 was a 4mm, which we've been using. So that'll be interesting. So, right, well, let's go over to the Bella Coco website and see what we're meant to be doing.
Hi everyone, I'm Rosina Plain, and I hope you've been enjoying making up the Merry and Bright, which is what I'm calling the Advent cowl I've designed for Crochet Society this year. And yesterday you would have been doing some overlay mosaic crochet and ended up with something like this. Yours will obviously be a lot wider if you're making the blanket, but I've just whipped up a quick little swatch here because I wanted to take you through how to do a slightly different technique for today.
Right, so as you can see, it's doing very similar what we did before to get some texture, but it's all going to be in the same colour. And it looks like we're still using the 4mm hooks, so we shall see. But yes, so looks like quite a few rows there. I've printed out a copy of the pattern because that's what I like to do, and there's 6 rows, so I better get on it, and I'll get back to you later on today, hopefully with it finished. Otherwise it'll be tomorrow morning. Right, just come on back quickly to show you my other cushion. So that's the Father Christmas one, and that's all done. I've just got to ladder stitch at the back here to enclose it, but I'll get the other one, and yeah, so that's the 2 of them. So I've got one more, which is the snowman, which I'll have to start on maybe tomorrow. I haven't got much. I haven't even finished the first row of the Crochet Society pattern. I've done there halfway along, and you can see it's doing the mosaic again. I think it's going to look really lovely, but yeah, I've been busy well, I went out today, of course, to see my granddaughter, and also I've been helping my husband holding bits and pieces and passing him because he's been putting the radiator up. So I'll put a picture up here of the radiator up in the new shower room. So yeah, so he's just now gonna turn all the water on and hopefully nothing leaks. So yeah, so it's I think it's nearly 7 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get this video sorted and then it'll be up, and I'll see you tomorrow, and hopefully tonight I will finish the rows needed to be on schedule for tomorrow morning. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.